let me show you easily the cheapest yet still very decent quality controller that you can currently get. And this over here is the newest X3 model. By that, this controller has been released already quite a few years ago. But again, this simply like the newest refreshed version, and I think it's absolutely awesome for the price you're paying. So if you also want to get it for the cheapest possible price, simply check out the special discount links in the description. So I got mine on AliExpress and literally actually paid only like $5 with free shipping for mine. For this price, I think it's absolutely insane what we are getting. Also, what's absolutely awesome about this controller, it works with pretty much any system, and also compared to other controllers, it's actually much better because we can even like remap basically the keys for any Android game. So basically, if you check other controllers, they only work in one mode for Androids. So in some games, obviously those other controllers simply won't work. But with this one, basically we can use it in any like game, so which is absolutely awesome. So when it comes to build quality, you see also this newest updated version over here also is actually fairly decent. And if you basically start using this controller, so really at this price, I really have no idea how they can even like produce this controller in this quality here. So you see, you actually have very nice joysticks here. And yeah, when you use it, it's actually very comfortable. So yeah, can't really complain at all. And again, joysticks also actually are very decent. And as you see, this controller can be pretty much connected to any device. So if you, for example, want to connect to phone, we actually have two different modes. So first, the standard Xbox controller mode. So basically, if your game supports RD controllers, I suggest to actually use this mode. So maybe let's start with this one. So to pair basically in this mode, so while the controller is off, simply press and hold the home button plus this RB button. So press and hold, it will blink like this, these three lights. And then we are going to go in our Bluetooth settings. Okay, and you see in the available device, it will show up as Xbox wireless controller. So once we click and pair, yep, pair it, and you see it stays still. And then you see it already works pretty much instantly. So we can open up some game and start playing. So you see it works absolutely flawlessly in this mode. But again, so if your game actually doesn't support controllers, with this controller we can actually map basically the areas, certain areas basically of our screen to be, basically match the button on our controller, and then we can basically play any game with this controller. So that's absolutely insane what we're getting. So to put it in this mode, we are going to press the home plus A button, so home plus A. So hold it like this, it will blink like this, and we are going to again to go in our phone, so in the Bluetooth settings, and then it will show up as this gamepad plus V3 here. So yep, let's pair it. Basically, as you see, it gets paired, and next we also need to download this application called Shooting Plus V3. And then you see in this app, it already comes pre-configured with most popular games here. But if you want to basically add a new game, so you would simply click add preset here and simply choose a game from your basically phone that you have installed. So for example, click this, add to, you see it will get added here. So, and yeah, basically we can basically edit. Okay, so let's start the game. And then inside the game, you will see this icon gets placed over here, so we can click it, and you see you can actually like drag around these combinations. So for example, left, so we would drag basically on this area of the screen where we have the left button essentially. And also if you basically press any button on your joystick, also it will like add new buttons that you can press. For example, let's press up, basically you see it creates an up button, so we can basically, yeah, for example, do this here, so whatever corresponds to what you need. And once satisfied, so you can click save here. So yep, okay. Then you see we can actually control our car. So you see, once I press the left, it actually goes on the left on my screen. So again, as you see, I'm pressing right, it goes right. So yeah, absolutely awesome. Again, so we can actually map this controller to work in any game, even if the game doesn't support normal wireless controllers. So yeah, absolutely awesome. And we can also very easily connect this controller to a PC, laptop, or wherever you need. So to connect to PC, again, home plus this B button. So home plus this upper B, press and hold, it will again blink like this. And then on your PC, you would simply go in the Bluetooth settings, click Bluetooth, and so wait a bit. I see it finds this Xbox wireless controller. So let's click that. Okay, as you see, ready to go, and it's working. And overall, is this controller actually worth it, and should you maybe get one? Well, I can actually highly suggest this controller if you're looking for extremely affordable controller that actually has got very reliable connection and can be used with pretty much any like device. So yeah, when it comes to build quality, also for its price, I'm actually very impressed. So definitely it actually feels like it's actually worth more than it costs. And again, if you follow the special discount links, you can have it around for the same price I paid, maybe like $5, something like that. Also in these listings, if you pay like few cents more, you can also get, for example, a phone clip, so you can basically attach basically your phone on the controller here. And also basically you can also get in different colors, and also basically with this USB adapter. So if your PC or laptop doesn't have Bluetooth, you can simply stick in this adapter and then you will still be able to use it. So yeah, basically check out those special discount links if you want to get it for a cheaper price. Again, that also is with free shipping for this price. What we're getting, I think that's absolutely insane. Good luck.